In this unrestricted PLR fitness video fire sale review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to over 200 fitness videos and 50 ebooks in, of course, the fitness niche that you can monetize any way you want. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Unrestricted PLR Fitness Video Sale, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, get your hands on the fastest selling, value-packed, and legitimate HQ high quality product, fitness video fire sale with unrestricted private label rights. So essentially that's what this is. You get a bunch of videos, you get PLR ebook content that you can use. It says 200 high quality fitness training videos, 50 well-written ebooks, 2 exclusive and extremely useful bonuses, unrestricted private label rights, as it's a ready to make, like ready to sell product, ready to trade reseller kit. And they say it comes with a bunch of big benefits. So essentially, I mean, they show some income proof here of money that they've made, but that's just money that they've made doing marketing online. Just because they've made that money does not mean that you will. This is simply a tool for you to use. So you could use these on YouTube. You could use these to package up as a product. You could use them to actually sell to other people as a product. It says step 1, download ready to market product, slap your name on it, upload it to your server, and then be ready to count endless profits by recurring sales. Now, of course, it's going to depend on how you sell it and who you sell it to. So there's no guarantee on any of that. But you can actually see some examples of these and how they look here. And if you were going to go out there and actually pay people to do that for you, if you're going to actually like outsource it, it could cost you upwards of $32,000. But because they're selling it to so many people, and if you're thinking, by the way, oh, it's going to get saturated. Unfortunately, and I don't want you to be someone that does this, but a lot of people do, is they buy products and they never use them. So the reason why they're able to sell it cheaply is because they're selling it to a lot of people, but most people won't do anything with it, unfortunately. Don't let that be you, please. So if you look on this page, you can actually see some examples of what these videos look like on the sales page here. So you can come over and actually take a look at what you're going to be getting. And here's a bunch of the different ebooks that you're going to be getting here. And this is a low one-time price. So what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video, explain this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Dear marketers and business owners, are you scuffling to create a wealth from business digitally while doing everything you can? Then you are just at the right place. Here's something that will flabbergast you. The only thing between you being a successful top marketer and a scuffling beginner is an influential and top converting product. To stand out from the crowd, you need something trendy, unique, and crisp, for which people could feel lucratively ravenous. By keeping all these things in mind, we have brought this startling product with HD training videos on an evergreen and top-selling niche that will grab the attention of your audience, that is Fitness Video Fire Sale. Fitness Video Fire Sale is a startling product with 200 HD training videos, from which you can learn about great exercises of particular body parts, along with 50 ebooks on health and wellness covering topics like aerobics, strength training, nutrition, and diet. Plus, it has a considerable amount of business focus and has an audience worth paying attention to. For this reason, it is clear that comprehensive videos, ebooks, and bonuses on this evergreen topic can be a cash cow for all the hustling businesses in terms of revenue and ROI. Moreover, without any doubt, selling private label rights with HD training videos is the utmost and tested strategy to generate apex of income consistently. You all know that people are making a living by just selling training products online in this digital business world, but do you want to stand out from others in terms of wealth and earn a big fortune? Well, you're at the right place. Because to make that happen, you don't just need to sell any course that your customer can purchase and gain knowledgeable information. But you also need to provide them with a comprehensive private label rights license, so they can set up an additional income stream for their business by claiming full authorship of the product, edit the contents, and sell it further for pure profits. And we are here to offer you a time-bound great golden chance to get your hands on an unrestricted PLR product that will need no struggle from your end and will pile up your bank accounts in no time with thousands of dollars. All you have to do is: Step 1. Download our ready for market product. Step 2. Slap your name on it. Step 3. Upload it to your server. Step 4. Be ready to count endless profits by recurring sales. Succinctly, your arduous work comes down to just 4 steps before you move a step closer to earning 6 figures. Introducing Fitness Video Firesale with Unrestricted PLR. Unbolt the potential of Fitness Video Firesale to accelerate engagement and earn ceaseless profits. This HD video training course can be your game changer in online business. But before you make a move, let's quickly take a sneak peek at the contents of this package. 1. 200 HD training fitness videos. 2. 50 ebooks on fitness and wellness. 3. 2 absolute exclusive and unique bonuses. 5,000 articles on fitness. 2,500 quote images. In addition, we are providing the required resellers module to help you jump on the bandwagon. Module 1, High Converting Sales Copy. Module 2, Customer Sales Video. Module 3, Professionally Designed Graphics. Module 4, Animated Banners. Module 5, Professional Mini Site. Module 6, Customer Swipes. Module 7, Legal Pages. Selling unrestricted PLRs is the most incredible way of earning big bucks because it gets to cover more and more people to make profits like us. Every leading marketer knows that selling training products online drives enormous income. This is a real deal. And the best part is that you get to keep 100% of the profits. So, if you want to become successful in this digital business world, then grab your hands on this wonderful product now. And don't miss this time-sensitive opportunity. You're getting everything ready to trade and cooked to serve your clients at a meager price. So, do not wait. It is a dime sale. The prices will go up. Act now.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase, with all your different assets here, all your videos, all your different health and fitness ebooks that you can download right inside here. Also, a bunch of different bonuses are here as well. Now, looks like there's 2 upgrades here. The first one is going to give you it's a yoga video pack, so it's more in kind of the health niche here. So you can get this one. The price on this, if I can find it for you, I always try to if I can. Price on this one is $47, and then they've got a next one here, Fitness Video Firesale Upgrade Package. It's going to give you what's going to give you more assets with this. You're going to get 500 HD fitness training videos, 70 ebooks, a bunch of extra stuff added in here. And if you upgrade to this one, that's $47. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Unrestricted PLR Fitness Video Firesale, and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's the fact that it's just like assets. So if you do nothing with it, nothing will happen. It's not like some magic push button, or it's not like a software. So if you're looking for something like that, go somewhere else. What do I like about this? If you are at all interested in the fitness niche, or you know someone that is, these are done for you assets. You can put them out there. Any money that you make from this after the price that you pay for it will be profit. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to take a look at this, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.